Welcome back, everyone. Today we're comparing two of the most exciting pocket cameras of 2026, and the DJI Pocket 4P and the brand new Insta360 Luna Ultra. Both cameras are designed for vloggers, travelers, and content creators who want professional quality video in a compact size, but they take very different approaches. The DJI Pocket 4P is expected to cost around $600, while the Insta360 Luna Ultra comes in at about $769. So is the Luna Ultra worth paying extra for? Let's find out. Starting with design and build quality, both cameras are compact and feature a 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage. The DJI keeps things simple with its traditional all-in-one design, while Insta360 introduces a unique detachable touchscreen controller that can also work as a wireless remote. If you often film yourself from a distance, the Luna Ultra definitely offers more flexibility. Moving to camera hardware, both cameras feature a large 1-inch main sensor along with a secondary telephoto camera. However, the Luna Ultra stands out with Leica-tuned optics and a dual lens system that supports up to 12 times zoom. DJI focuses more on image quality and optical zoom performance, making it attractive for creators who prefer a cleaner and more natural look. When it comes to video quality, Insta360 takes the lead on paper. The Luna Ultra can record up to 8K video and supports Dolby Vision HDR, while the Pocket 4P focuses on 4K recording with impressive slow motion capabilities. If maximum resolution is your priority, Luna Ultra has the advantage. If you care more about smooth cinematic footage and slow motion, DJI remains extremely competitive. For stabilization and tracking, DJI has years of experience with gimbal cameras. Its tracking system is fast, reliable, and very smooth. The Luna Ultra also offers advanced AI tracking and performs well, but many early users still feel DJI has a slight edge in overall tracking and gimbal performance. Battery life is another strong point for the Luna Ultra. It can deliver up to 4 hours of recording, while DJI focuses more on storage and ecosystem integration. The Pocket 4P includes over 100 gigabytes of built-in storage, which is significantly more than the Luna Ultra's internal storage. And so which one should you buy? If you want the highest resolution, Leica color profiles, a detachable wireless screen, longer battery life, and innovative features, the Insta360 Luna Ultra is the more feature-packed camera. But if you want proven stabilization, excellent tracking, natural color science, a larger built-in storage capacity, and a lower price around $600, the DJI Pocket 4P offers outstanding value. At the end of the day, both cameras are fantastic choices, and your decision comes down to whether you prefer DJI's refined experience or Insta360's ambitious new features. Let us know in the comments which one you would choose. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.